Hey guys, welcome back to Cleaning Gratefully. It's after dark, getting ready to close down the bedroom for the night. I need to clean this up so we can get back in the bed. So let's get started.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love.
Today we're going to do a little bit of a relaxing cleanup before bed in our master bedroom with relaxing music. We're going to be wiping the furniture and cleaning off and making the bed, which it won't be perfect, but we're just going to get back in it, so that's okay. And I'll be cleaning mirrors and getting the room nice and cozy and ready for us to go to bed. Make sure you're subscribed. Please like this video if you enjoy relaxing Clean With Me videos, and let's get to cleaning.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
I'm starting out by picking up things and putting them away. All these clothes are either from the dryer and need to be folded and put away, or they are where I was looking for something and I had to pull things out from the dresser, so I just need to put all this away.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last.
Our quilt has kind of shrunk over the years, so I like to give Scott a little more covers on his side since I have the electric blanket on my side. And I'm going to clean the furniture with the Method grapefruit scent. I like to use this occasionally because it makes me happy, and I'll be using my dish soap spray on the mirrors, and you'll see that in a little bit.
Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
And here I go with my dish soap spray. I use a different clean, dry microfiber cloth from when I clean the furniture. And if I'm cleaning a lot of windows and mirrors, once one gets a little too wet, I'll switch to a different one that's dry. That's just my method, and it works for windows and mirrors every time for me. And again, if you're new here, I love my dish soap spray. It's just in an old Windex bottle, and it's just a little dish soap and water.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond dawn. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. You better tell the truth real fast, and then we're probably done at last. 'Cause I got somewhere to be, and you're done deceiving me into thinking I couldn't do better. Yeah, I know I was probably crazy, thinking someday you'd change. There's nothing left to do now, so I'm playing the game. And so, heartbreaker, I've been working you out. You made loads of mistakes, but none that you talk about.
Okay guys, it's all clean and ready for bed now, and if you've watched any of my videos before, you know I like it really dark in the bedroom, so we have the blackout shades pulled down and the blackout curtains pulled, and we turn the air down really low, and the room is all ready for us now. If you watched this video to the end here, thank you so much for watching all the way through. It helps my channel when you watch the entire video, and it also helps me when you hit that like button. I really appreciate all of your support. I met my goal of putting up 3 videos this week. I work full-time as well, so this was a big job for me, but I wanted to make it a goal, and I'm so thankful I was able to do it, and I hope it motivates you to get your bedroom all nice and cozy and clean and inviting for bed. See y'all next time. Bye!